In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Brother L2640DW printer with your PC Windows computer. I'll show you how to connect them, how to print, and also how to scan using the Wi-Fi. So let's get started right away. So the first thing that we need to do is to connect your Brother printer to your home wireless network, your Wi-Fi. So let's go on the screen over here. We're gonna press the menu button once. Then with this plus and minus button, we're going to navigate in this menu until you see network. It's number 4. Once you're on it, we're going to confirm with the OK button over here. Then again, we're going to press the plus or minus button. It does not matter until you select WLAN Wi-Fi. Press OK. Then when you see find network, you're going to press OK. You'll be presented with the different Wi-Fi networks around the printer. You can press the plus and minus button to shuffle through them. And once you see the name of your Wi-Fi network, press OK. And now it's time to type the password. Obviously, this printer does not have any buttons like numbers or letters. So how this is done, it's a bit uncomfortable, I would say, is with the plus and minus button. You're going to shuffle through letters and numbers. And once you see the one that you want to type, you're going to press OK, and then you'll go to the next one. Once your password is typed, you're going to press the OK button. And then on the screen, you should see Apply Settings. If you want to select yes, and this is what you want, you're going to press the plus button here once, and it will try to connect. Connected, press the OK key, press OK, and this is it. The printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next step is to go on your PC, go on the lower left side, click on the Start button, then go and select Settings. Then select Devices. Finally, on the left side, select Printers and Scanners. And you're going to find this plus icon on the right side that we need to click. Make sure that your PC computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your Brother printer is connected to. If over here you do not see your Brother printer, you see maybe another printer or nothing is happening, go ahead and press on refresh. Sometimes it takes multiple tries to make this work. Here we go, you see after I pressed the refresh button, it appeared right away. So click on your Brother printer in the list, click on Add Device. And usually it only takes a few seconds. It's now connecting, as you see over here. If after a minute or two it's still saying connecting, obviously something is wrong. Just close the window here and go back to the same place. So I'll go back in Settings, Devices, then Printers and Scanners. And if you see your Brother printer in this list, it simply means it has been added. It's just that the screen froze. And so over here you can see Brother 2640DW. So it has been added. Great. Now, how do you scan and print? Let me show you how to scan first. So to scan, you need to go over here. We need to open the scan app that every Windows computer should have. If you do not have it, you simply need to go over here on the Microsoft Store. Type on the top here scan, and you should get the scan app. If you wonder if you have the scan app, you need to go over here, type here to search and type scan. Then select the scan app. Make sure that your Brother printer is selected here under scanner. And since this printer has two different scanners, I'll show you how to use both of them. So the first one is located right over here. If we lift this, whoops, like that, it should stay in place. So take your paper, place it facing down with the top part of the paper on the left side. Then you're going to notice over here on this corner, on the top left corner, you'll need to align the paper and this corner. So just push it take your finger and push the paper until it meets this corner of the scanner. Then close the lid. And on the computer under source, press on it and select flatbed. Select which kind of file you would want to have. Let's say JPEG. Show more. And here you can decide if you want in color or black and white, and also pick a resolution. 300 is the default one, and I don't suggest you change it. Finally, here you can select where your file will get saved. So in my case, it's on desktop. I'll leave it there. If you want to change that, click here and modify it. Then press scan. At the end, you're gonna get a confirmation that the scan was saved on desktop. Perfect. You can view it by clicking the view button or simply click close. Now let me show you how to use the other scanner. The other scanner is located on the top, and why would you use it instead is because you can input multiple pages. Here I have a document of 4 pages. First, align them facing up with the top part of your document on the left side. Simply glide them over here. And by the way, if you cannot glide them, it's maybe because these tabs are in this position. Push them away. All right. Put them here, extend this small flap so they don't fly away once they get scanned. And then on your PC, under source, instead of flatbed, you can select feeder. And then press scan. By the way, if you want to combine every pages you have input into one PDF file, you'll need to select under file type here, click on it, PDF. And press scan. Now let's take a look. You don't need to touch anything at this point. The printer will take each pages one by one and scan them. They will come out here. And it will be scanned in the folder that you have selected. Now let me show you how to print. Let's say I want to print this PDF file, so I'll go ahead and select the print button. Make sure that on the top part over here, your Brother printer is selected. Then you have a bunch of settings you can change. This is up to you, but one of the most important ones is this: print on both sides of the paper. So if you want to print both sides, you need to enable by clicking this option. Then when you're ready, press the print button. Here we go. So this is how you print using your PC computer. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.